Guys, Joe here, welcome back to another video. We haven't done one of these in ages. Hang on, where are we? Where are we? This is one of our old videos. Don't know where we are though. They just spawned. So what are we? Can't kill myself. I got all this good stuff on me. Yeah, got all this coal, this good shovel. Let's just look for the Pokeball. I think it's be this way. I don't know why we're lost. I mean, I've just come on here. I've not been on here in ages. Oh no! It is right. No. I know that pond. It's this way. I know this pond. We've got to make a beacon. We need obsidian, don't we? Could make a beacon if we get the obsidian for it. It's just obsidian and then glass. Yeah, the Pokeball. Okay. Whew, I thought we were lost there. It's down here. Yes, good. Good. Ah, there we are. Wish I could do Roblox again. Ooh. Why is the wall not loaded? Oh, this is so horrible. Ugh, just so creepy. Hang on, we gotta sort out this. Quick pro, normal, this kind of thing. Is that good? Oh, hang on, this is weird. Okay, let's try that again. What's normal? Are we normally quick pro or normally normal? This is better. There we go. Actually, put that. Yeah, this is good. Oh yeah, this is good. This is great. Oh yeah. Right, first things first. So we're going to get another turtle for Count Stan today. That's basically what we're going to do. So we need seagrass, don't we? There you go, Count Stanny. So you can get eggs, more turtles, more names for turtles, you know, all that good stuff. Oh man, it's getting to night, even though we've just... Oh, we need to feed our auntie, which is a weird thing to say. Haley. Oh, there you are. Right. Carrots. We also need to find out how you cover pumpkin, because I want to do that. So yeah, I think, do you use a shovel? Oops. Hang on a minute. So if you just, I think you click on it with the shovel. We'll test this later. It's bedtime. This isn't really actual surviving. This is just, you know, just a normal. It's like you know, Dante DM's old lab. He never built that in survival. Yeah, this is. Oh yeah, pumpkin. Right. Test 1. Shovel. Doesn't work. Test 2. Hoe. Let's just get the axe as well. You know. Sword? Let's just go get the turtles. Like you were gonna do. Turtles! I got some seagrass for you. Turtles! Turtles! Oh, turtles! Oh look. Some fish. These fish escaped from me once. Seriously, they did. Right. Hello? Ah, turtle. Oi, turtle! Follow me. Got some seagrass. Oi, you. Look what I have. Right. I shall get you to follow me. Because... Seagrass. I got this grass. Right, come on. Ow! Come on, turtle. I have your beautiful dinner. Yummy. Up here. Come on. Oh, it's so cutie. Come on, turtle. I need to make the doors bigger though. Oh, I got seagrass. I got it. No, wait. I have seagrass. I have seagrass. Turtle. Oi. I have seagrass. So fast, right. I got your attention now, haven't I? Okay, let's go. Right. This way. Come on. Let's go this way. Up here. What? What? No! This is all because I took the seagrass out of my hand. Turtle! Right, I'm just gonna feed it. Turtle. Seagrass I have. I have some seagrass, right. Come here. Seagrass. Yeah. Come on, let's go get some seagrass. It's the seagrass of life, you know. That's yummy seagrass. Seagrass! I have seagrass. No. I'll have to lead Count Stan outside instead of leading them inside. Won't I? Yeah. Oh, it's glitched. Okay. Staniel! Oh, Stan! I got a treat for you. Come on! Up here. Stan! Oh, you, Staniel! Come on! We got adventuring to do, Stan. Stan? Yeah, you're really slow, aren't you? Come on. It's okay. I got this lovely little seagrasses for you. Oi, yo, come on. I've not got all day. Come on. Come on. Ah, don't need to make this bigger. Can I just break this? Will that be good for you? Can't stand. There. Can you get out now? No, seagrass. Ooh, come on. What? You crash. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes, he's coming. I really need to do this right. I got the seagrass. I'm going to have to get an axe. Just a wooden axe here. This will be okay, right? Right. Stan! Seagrass! Right, let's go. Once. No! Seagrass! Oh, I'm building a way up for him. For this lovely little turtle. Oh, yes. You lovely little turtle, aren't you? Oh, yes. There. Now I must break all of this sand. Now you must come up here. Oi, Stan. There you go. Just up here, just this way. Alright. Come on. Take your time. Not really. I'm joking. Come on. Stan. Is the ice melting? I don't think so. I don't think the kind of ice I built it with would melt. Oh dear. Whoa! Flying turtle. Yes. Right, let's go. One. No, I haven't released you into the wild. Stan, Stan, Stan. I have not released you into the wild, Stan. Stan. Right. Come on, Stan. Come on, to this little island. To this island of likeness. Oh, yes, that's my little Stan. Stan, you okay? There you go. Oh, no, Stan! Stan! Okay, guys, let's just get this Staniel up here. Stan! Stan! Oi! Stan, you're not free! Stan! No! Stan! Stan! Go on. Let's go. And then we can... Oh! Okay, guys, let's, once then. There you go. There you go, Stan. Come on. There. Now I need to wait for another turtle. Okay. So. Oh! Oh, looks like we don't need to. There's one to use already. Let's give you the seagrass and give you the seagrass. Yes! It's the miracle of birth. Okay, let's... Oh, we didn't get to watch it. Okay, so we got the parrots and the bats. Where's the egg then? You're not Count Stan. What's the parrots and the bats? Where is it? Is it Hassan Mando? I think it is. That's pretty two animals. Okay.